The entire building was evacuated. I'm not totally sure why. I'm at school, by the way. I'm not totally sure why the whole building was evacuated. But there's several fire trucks around, so that's a good hint. I'm gonna just go get Starbucks. I'm not dealing with this right now. I'll come back in an hour and attempt to figure out my life, but for right now, just no. Just no. Such a stupid design. Okay, so Alex, this is for you, basically. But Kelly is doing a screen replacement. Kelly is my friend, don't worry. I don't go to strangers who are fixing their computers, and neither should you.
This is just a quick, I'll give you an introduction to this computer.
You should.
This computer was difficult to find a tutorial for. Every HP DV6 on the YouTubes doesn't have this weird speaker. We thought it was a speaker, but oh, plot twist. Very exciting plot twist. Here we go. It's a sticker.
It's a sticker.
So, those hidden screws that were keeping this
In place.
attached. You kept saying it's not a screw, you kept saying it's glue.
What?
No. I was like, because everything was going, these parts were coming easily. I was like, there has to be something holding it there.
Screw number 2.
But I thought it was coming from over here on this side.
This is
But I didn't think about the
so
blue part.
annoying. Do you think there's one?
Now it can be
Yeah.
fixed, because instead of having a practical thing there, like it looks like, it's just a sticker. A sticker. Why?
Yeah.
Yep.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is what we call golden hour, and I hope you can see why. It's because all of the world is actually gold. Just over there. I don't know, my camera isn't really picking it up that well. But there's just this nice golden light on everything because of the sunlight, and it's just so beautiful. And yeah. I don't know, I like being in downtown, but there is a nice thing about working and living in the suburbs. It's that you get a view of downtown. I think I've always really been a city person more than anything, which is weird because I've never technically lived in a city. It's just being, anytime I go near one, anytime I'm in it for school, I feel like things are right. So, I mean, it's nice to know. It's at least a small feeling of belonging, really.